What's up, boys? MacXgas here. Okay, so basically today we're gonna be cooking something. We're gonna be cooking an omelet, actually. An omelet with bacon, and then probably some milk, and I'm not cooking the milk. Anyways, so basically, what? Today we're gonna be cooking today. This is not Corey Kenshin. This is not the cooking with Kenshin thing, okay? I'm not copying anybody. So we have some bacon here. We got butter, eggs, pepper, and salt. So basically all of this stuff is gonna make a bacon omelet. But we also need milk. I forgot about that. So now we got milk, and I also got orange juice just because I'm gonna drink this. So let's start this baby up. So the first thing that you're gonna want to do is obviously turn the oven up. I usually keep it around in between 6 and 4, so it's not completely
burning the freaking bacon,
and also not cooking the bacon. So what I'm gonna do is take a piece of bacon. I usually use like typically 2 to 3 pieces of bacon. I think this one I'm just gonna use 3. I got the camera set up over here. Now we got the bacon cooking thing. It's probably just gonna be sped up, and then yeah, I think I might just speed. It's time to flip the bacons. Get these piggies flipped over. Oh.
You wonder why you don't have friends and you don't fit in.
That looks nice. That smells so good. You guys just smell this right now. This is the white people bacon. It's that good bacon. You don't know nothing about it. And I will see you guys after this is all cooked. What's up, boys? It's still MacXgas because nobody else uploads on this channel, and also I'm the only person in this video. So basically, while this bacon is cooking, I thought I'd talk to you guys about today's sponsor, NordVPN. I'm just kidding. But yeah, basically, my birthday's coming up in like 27 days now. 27 days to my birthday. I'd appreciate it if you guys would subscribe. That would mean the world to me. Bacon's cooking. It's gonna burn, actually, so I probably should stop begging for subscribers. So you guys are probably tired of looking at bacon, so I'm gonna show you guys the next step of making an omelet. Wow. So what you're gonna want to do while your bacon is burning, you basically want to just get some dish soap, put it on the cutting board, and wash it, because you're gonna need it in like 7 minutes. So now that our cutting board is washed, let's go put out the fire on our bacon. You're gonna take yourself 2 eggs, and you just add the bacon. Damn it! Oh my god, much is bad. You just want about that much. Mix it. Wow. And we're back. Okay, so now that, can you please be like not as loud?
Shut your damn mouth.
So now that we're back, it's time to cook the omelet that we've been preparing the entire time, the whole show, you know, okay. Do you have to be so loud? Alright, so what you're gonna do is, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, you gotta get you a big fat stack of Colby Jack. It's mild cheddar. Oh, I'm stupid. Alright, so what you're gonna do is just pour it literally everywhere. So it's kind of cooking on the outside, but it's like wet on the inside, so I'm kind of waiting for that. It's literally bubbling right now. Even though it's like kind of raw in the middle, I'm gonna unbag this cheese. Hold on. This is so unprofessional. I am literally, this is ghetto. You're gonna get you a good old handful of that. I like my omelets cheesy, my boy. So it's okay to get on the outside. It just makes burnt cheese, which is also really good to have. This video is so incredibly unprofessional. I literally need to I need to get the cameraman. What do I do? Oh, yeah, I forgot. We get our bacon out of the, we got our previously chopped up bacon. Now you just simply take the bacon and kind of just place it evenly, since we had enough time on our hands. We're good. Oh no.
I dropped my bacon.
Oh, dude, this smells so good. You guys have no idea. Did I make too much bacon? Potentially. Wow, wait a minute. I think kind of just let it spread around like that.
Then I tell you what, Dango, what you're gonna want to do.
Gonna get you some country crock butter, and you take yourself a spatula, and you just kind of take the edge, and you just so now you got a little bit of butter on your spatula. Makes it easier to flip. All right, come on now. Oh, this boy's ready. I'm literally gonna fail this flip. Oh my god. I just made a perfect flip. Look at that. Look at how sexy that looks. It looks really nice. Alright, so now what you're gonna want to do,
Get yourself some, I tell you what, Dango, come on now.
you're gonna get yourself some pepper. Kind of just spread around. I like a lot of pepper on my thing. Also, I have never had a flip like this good. Just so you know, I want to make it very clear that I'm bad at making omelets, and I don't know how I did this. So this was not supposed to happen. Now, our omelet is done, and you put it on your freaking plate. Okay. There you go. Look at that. Wow, time to eat it. The moment that we have all been waiting for. It's alright.